In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in DocHub. By the end, you'll know how to label your files with meaningful tags, find what you need faster, and keep your document library neatly organized. First, open your web browser and head to docub.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in, go to your Documents area. You can get there from the sidebar or the top menu, depending on your layout. This view shows all the PDFs, forms, and other files you've uploaded or are working on, and it's the central hub for organizing with tags. To add tags to a document, hover your cursor over the file you want to label. You'll see a three-dot menu appear on the document thumbnail. Click that menu and choose Add Tag. A small field will appear where you can type the label you want, like Invoice, Client A, or Urgent. Press Enter to save it. If the document belongs to multiple categories, repeat the process to add more tags. There's no need to overthink it. Short, consistent names work best. Consider setting a simple naming style, such as singular nouns or a clear prefix for clients, so everything stays tidy and predictable. When you're ready to find documents by tag, stay in the Documents view and use the search bar or the filter options. Click the filter icon and select one or more tags to narrow down your results. DocHub will immediately show only the documents that match the tags you chose, which makes it easy to isolate, for example, all urgent items across projects, or everything related to a single client. Combining tags is especially powerful when you're juggling lots of files and need to pinpoint a specific subset quickly. If your tagging needs change over time, you can edit or remove tags just as easily. Hover over the document again, click the three-dot menu, and choose Edit Tags. Here you can rename a tag on that document or remove it altogether. This is handy for cleaning up typos, refining your naming conventions, or clearing labels that are no longer relevant. A quick pass to tidy tags every so often keeps your library efficient and reduces clutter. That's all you need to start using tags in DocHub effectively. Open DocHub, head to Documents, add clear tags, filter by them when you need to find something fast, and refine tags as your workflow evolves. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.